All right, so we are back with our homework review on law of cosines. Once again, we're using a CUDA worksheet, a free CUDA worksheet. So on number 8, we are looking for the measure of angle B, and we're using the law of cosines. So with the law of cosines, we need to use the angle that they gave us because we have to have kind of like a sandwich, like a side angle side sandwich. So we are going to first solve for side A. And then that way we can, if we solve for side A, we can then find our missing angle next. All right, so we always start and end with the one that I circled. So A squared equals 22 squared plus 17 squared, you use these two, minus 2 times those two, cosine of the degree, 143. So you start and end with the A and the 143. And then these two go here, 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 and here. All right, so A squared equals 22 squared plus 17 squared minus 2 times 22 times 17 cosine of 143. At this point, you can just pick up your calculator and use it. So if we're solving for A, we're just going to take the square root. We have A equals that. So let's start over here. 143 cosine times 17 times 22 times 2 negative button equals. So we did all of this. Plus 17 squared plus 22 squared equals. Now we have all of this. Now just take the square root. And A equals 37.01863533 rounded to the tenths. 37.0 or 37. Now that I have this perfect pair, I can use law of sines to find B, which is what we're trying to solve for. So the sine of 143 is to the 37 that we have in our calculator. And instead of rounding, we can just store this. Store 1. See now how it has the memory 1? Equals sine of B over 17. Cross products and solve. 37, or your M1, times sine B equals 17 times sine 143. Divided by 37 on both sides, or your memory 1. Sine B equals 17 sine 143 all over 37, which is your memory 1. And now we do the inverse sine. So the inverse sine of all of this equals angle B. All right, so 143 sine times 17 equals, divided by, recall 1, equals second sine. And we get that B is 16.0436986, rounded to nearest tenth, 16 degrees. Angle B is 16 degrees. You guys okay with this? Yeah? Are there any other law of cosines problems that you would like me to do? No? All right, well that is our review on law of cosines.